Within LiveCompare, there are pre-made apps that assist you and your SAP impact analysis tasks. One of the most important apps is Smart Impact. Smart Impact identifies a most at-risk set of used executables, the screens, users, and roles impacted by the changing objects. It can also assess the impact of support packs, or the impact of custom development changes. By the end of this lesson, you will have an overview of what Smart Impact does and how to run it. Let's take a closer look at the Smart Impact app. On an SAP system, it analyzes a set of transports, a set of objects, or a set of charm change requests. From there, Smart Impact provides you with information on the most at-risk set of used executables, which when tested will exercise each of the objects that are changing, the screens, users, and roles impacted by the changing objects, the impact of support packs or custom development changes, and hits and gaps through a test repository integration. The app produces a dashboard report and an associated Excel report for the information you need. Now let's focus on how to run the Smart Impact app. Starting from the consumer home screen, you can filter the apps by DevOps teams. You'll find Smart Impact in Testing. Choose New Variant to add a new impact analysis. Enter a name, open your variant, and choose your parameters. In Smart Impact, there are 3 groups of parameters: objects to be analyzed, SAP systems to connect to, and parameters related to your test repositories like Qtest and Tosca. Objects to analyze can be objects, transports, or charm change requests. Use the transports parameter for your local transports as well as SAP support packs. The charm change request parameter is a popular option for those using Solution Manager Charm to manage transports. The object parameter allows you to analyze the impact of an object even before you change it. The next group of parameters is the SAP system selections. The analysis system is the system with the change, usually development or a sandbox. The SAP Solution Manager system has your charm change requests in it. The performance history system tracks which transactions, programs, web applications, APIs, and security roles that are in use. This will be your production system. The comparison system is where you can compare your analysis systems. This will give you a better understanding of how objects have changed. This system is usually a QA, a pre-production, or a production system. And finally, there are test repository parameters. The create test execution function will place all of the most at-risk objects related to test plans in the folder within your execution list. You can now run or save your variants. If you choose to unlock your variants, other users in your project can see it, and they'll be able to edit and run it as well. Click Run, and you'll see your results on the right-hand side.